Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, I got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. It's by the brand right here, as you can see, Bachan. And pretty much what this is a Japanese barbecue sauce that you can use to add it with stuff if you guys want to eat it with like maybe meat, fish, whatever. You guys can use it as a dipping sauce, or you guys can actually use it to cook stuff. So if you guys want to marinate stuff as well, you guys can do that as well, which is pretty awesome. So it's actually really nice of them to send me two of these to kind of try out and see what it tastes like, so I can let you guys know. So since both of them are the same thing, I'm gonna open up one of them to show you guys what it looks like first. So when you guys open the inside, this is basically what it looks like inside. So they provide us one of the bottles, or two of the bottles, but each one has one. And this is what the bottle looks like. If you can see, it's the original Japanese barbecue sauce, and that's the little logo right there that has a little octopus, which is really cute. This sauce right here is actually one of their family recipes, which is pretty awesome. If you can see right there, it has like all the nutrition facts right here, the ingredients that they use right here as well. They do have their best by date right here if you guys care about that. They have the little background history of like how they started and everything on here, and let you guys know what you guys can use the sauce for, which is pretty awesome. But the product itself is preservative free, it's cold filled, it's BPA free, and it uses simple ingredients, which is pretty awesome. And one thing that they mentioned for the bottle itself is the fact that you want to make sure you guys shake it well before you guys open it or use it. But the overall product itself, you guys can see, it looks really nice. It definitely has that kind of like crayon look to it, if you can see, which is pretty cool. But that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Let's actually go try this out and see what it tastes like and everything first, and what the texture looks like when you guys squirt it out. And then once we finish trying it out, we'll come back and talk about the product in a second. Alright, so we got the Japanese barbecue sauce right here, so we're gonna give it a try. I'm probably gonna add it to like my chicken right here, and then yam noodle right here, and give it a try and see what it tastes like. So you can use this sauce to cook, or you can use it as like a dipping sauce. So right now I'm using it as like a dipping sauce and mix it onto like the chicken and everything and see how it tastes. So let me open up this part first, and then we'll pour it out. So it's hard for me to show you guys what the inside looks like, but it definitely smells amazing. You guys can definitely smell like that Japanese barbecue kind of like sauce smell. But let me put it on the cap and then give it a try and see what it tastes like. Alright, so we got the cap on. So you guys want to twist it open like this. So once you guys open it, just pour it onto your chicken or whatever you guys want to add for like dipping sauce or cooking or whatever. So I'm just going to add it onto here and give it a try and see what it tastes like. Alright. So that should be a good amount. Let me give it a try and see what it tastes like. Alright, so we got a piece right here. Let me give it a try and see what it tastes like. It definitely tastes really good. You guys get that like sweet barbecue sauce on the actual bottle itself, which tastes amazing. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the quick test of me like kind of trying out with the little vegetables or like the chicken and everything. You guys can definitely see that the texture and everything looks amazing. Obviously not like really starchy or whatever, like really thick. So if you guys want to get like that thick texture, then you maybe want to add a little bit of like cornstarch and mix it together when you guys are mixing it in a little skillet or something. So I can see how this goes really well if you guys are cooking it with noodles or like rice or whatever. But if you guys are planning to like marinate it or whatever, then you guys can also use cornstarch so it can absorb the actual flavor on the actual like maybe chicken, beef, fish, or whatever you guys want to marinate. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So honestly, I think this is actually pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially for the price range that they're charging for this product is not too bad. It's like $10 a bottle. You guys can buy this at like Whole Foods or some other places as well. It is a little bit pricey, but you guys remember the sauce that is provided on here, everything is like natural ingredients, it's family owned recipes, so it's not like your typical barbecue sauce that like has artificial flavor and everything. It doesn't have anything that's fake, it's all like natural ingredients. So pretty much long story short, yes, this is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have no one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys did this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have